Alright guys, we at Playa Delfines. I hope I'm saying it correctly. And it's incredibly beautiful. People are waiting in line. Look at that. Let me just show you what's going on. People are waiting in line just to take a picture in front of the Cancun sign. Look at that line right there. Yeah, taxi. People, look at that. I guess you can't beat it. It's probably perfect. I'm not doing it, but I can see why people are doing it because it's such a great picture if you can get it. So let's take a picture of the water up here. And then I'm going down there in just a second. Look how blue that water, like a swimming pool. Look at that. Look how blue. My gosh. All right, we're gonna take our shoes off. Let me just do a little pan right there. I don't know. Hey, look how blue this water is. All right, let's go ahead and let's take a little walk here. Yeah, I don't know if I can. All right, guys, I'm walking out of this area with no shoes on, so let's see what's this beautiful beach, like a swimming pool. Look how blue this water is. Oh, now this is it's a little rough walking on the thing. I don't know, maybe that's. They talk about the palapas. It's not a big beach as far as wide, but it's still a nice beach there. This is a public beach. That fruit looks good. I have to come back for it, I think. Oh, look what's going on right here. It's kind of a wedding out here. I'm not getting too close because I don't have. Look how blue it's water. Wow. You can see it's not really that wide. They got these palapa trees. I mean, excuse me, palapa, like huts. Palapa is what they call them. Palapa. Palapas. Excuse me. Palapas. Let's walk along this way here. It's towards the sun, so this might be too much here. Really beautiful. This is where everybody's just kind of hanging out up here. It's not crowded, I don't think, but I mean, I guess if you come out here to get one of these little shade palapas, then you probably, yeah, I don't see one empty. So I guess if you to get one of those, you have to be kind of early, super early. Well, the beach goes up quite, but I'm not going that far. I'm just going to kind of stay right in this area right here. Some of the other things belong to the resorts. So, you know, not all beaches are public. So, but this is definitely one of the public beaches right here. Yeah. Definitely hot out here. I ain't gonna stay here too long. And it started out kind of chilly. It's beautiful over there. Look at that water though. Look how blue that water is. All right, let's continue to walk. Yeah, you gotta get out here early and stake your claim on these palapas. Not many. Well, it's a lot of them, but it didn't take them long to fill up, I guess. Yeah. Listen to the ocean. Wow. Look how blue that water is though. I'm just amazed by the color of the water. Look at that. Like a swimming pool. I mean, it's a couple empty down here, but I guess I don't know why people haven't taken it. But I mean, I guess if you need cover, maybe because it's not, the shade is a little bit further away. But I mean, that's going to adjust. So I'm not sure why these two are not taken. Maybe because it's obstructed pretty much by this whatever's going on right here. I guess like crawfish or crabs or whatever, maybe farm or something. Okay. I got a little workout thing up here. I need to figure out how to get back up here. Alright, let's yeah. Beach is gorgeous. Really nice beach. These steps, guys. No gracias, senor. I think, yeah. Green is hot, though. Look at this water. Wow. type of way that'll take you out there. Look like it. Nope. There's somebody paddle surfing out there. Wow, it turned out to be a really great day. Look how long that line is up there for the sun. You probably can't see it from here, but yeah. The water's beautiful. I guess it's not considered crowded. I guess it's probably perfect, in my opinion, because it's not really a big, wide beach. I mean, it goes up quite a distance, but I think that's still part of the resort. I mean, a resort, so it doesn't really go that far, I don't think. So. Playa Delfines. Playa Delfines. Alright, I think I'm gonna walk back up here and give y'all one last look from the top. I'm not gonna show you me walking up, I might struggle. So let's pit back up at the top. Alright, there you have it, guys. Beautiful Playa Delfines. It's beautiful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click that bell for the next video. Thank you for watching.